Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox a photo bag, but not just any photo bag, a special photo bag that's going to be used to house my Evo 2. Okay, today we're going to unbox, and I have my cheat sheet with me here, the photo bag Sling backpack for cameras and accessories that also fits 15-inch laptops. Now, of course, we're not going to use it for any of that. We're going to use it for my go bag for the Autel Evo 2 6K drone. Now that is the Pro version. Right now, I have the big rugged case, which is great for most situations. But when I need to have a go bag, right now the only go bag I have is a backpack. Not the best idea for a drone and camera equipment and all that stuff. So I did buy this bag. Let's see what it has in it that makes it so special. It did come in a nice packaged box, and it has a nice piece of plastic over top of it. Take this off. Ta-da! Now, suppose he has a rain cover in there somewhere. But this is DecGear. Trying to do this one-handed. Ooh, look at that. You open up the side, has plenty of places for extra batteries or my DJI cameras, all kinds of neat stuff. Something nice and squishy here. Let's see if I can get in there. I think that might be the rain cover. Huh. Not sure. How do you get in that thing? Oh, it's right there. Okay. So you actually reach underneath, and there's your rain cover. Neat. I like that. So that just kind of flips up over. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's get back inside. It does have a nice little area that you can put your extra stuff. Oh, we have a neighbor's dog who wants to get in the video. That's okay, we'll let him bark. That's fine. It's a nice day out today. But anyway, that also has like I don't know if you can see that, like a plastic sheen over top of it. So that'll keep it nice and dry. Probably put your extra cards in there and all that good stuff. Zip that back up a little bit. Has a place here you can put something else, like maybe your tripod. Oops. On the top. Ooh, nice padded, perfect place to put your drone. Drop that right in there. Maybe some cables and cords in there. I like that. And here is straps for your backpack here. Maybe for your shoulders. Shoulder straps. Oh, there's another zipper over here. Let's see what this is all about. Ooh. Nice places to put your own rain gear or whatever you need in there. That's cool. Yeah. If you're ever going camping, you can put a roll up in there. That's nice. But let's tell you what, let's open this thing all the way up. Okay, that's where your 15-inch laptop would go. But if you had like a crystal sky or something like that, I can probably fit right in there. That's nice for your drone. On the one side, we also have a little pocket area. Oh, look at that. You can put more stuff in there. Nice and again, everything is so nice and padded. I love it. You can put some other things in there if you like. Like if you need quick access, to memory cards. You like your memory card holder. Put that right in there. That'd be great. Zip this back up a little bit. On the other side, we've got another padded area. Let's see if we can open that up. Ooh. Nice access to the side on that side. I see. So this is your main, on the front, this is your main compartment here. But you can get to it from that side or that side. That's kind of cool if you don't want to open up the whole thing. I like that. That's nice. Okay. Am I missing anything else? Nope, I think that's it. Okay, here's some specs right here. This is DecGear item number BCDCK20L. It says it's designed for travelers, multifunctional storage compartments. Choose between left sling or right sling or both, like a backpack. Padded laptop compartment, up to 15.4 inches. It can fit, DSLRs, flashes, customizable, adjustable inserts. Oh, that's going to come in handy. Of course, that rain cover I showed you. Oh, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. Very, very good. Overall, very nice piece of equipment. Let's see how much we can stick in there. Still have room for some camera equipment there. I like that. On the side here, we can put our memory card holder in there with extra memory cards. Let's see. Up here, we can probably put the extra propeller wings. There we go. And also our flight cables to connect to our phone. Nice little extra super cushiony area. Oh, look at that. Fits like a glove. Oh, look here. I missed this zipper up here. But you might be able to put the extra propellers in there as well, which would probably be a more logical place since the drone's in here. And of course, like we showed you before, if it ever rains, got the rain cover right here. Pull that right out. And it's tethered, so you can't lose it, which is nice. Clean the top. The only thing that's not covered is your back. But that's okay, I think you're gonna get wet anyway. But everything that needs to be covered is covered. Nice.